everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in IQ option trading account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link login.iqoption.com. Press enter. Now after doing that, you'll be led to the official login interface of IQ option. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is provide your email or phone number and password, or you can also log in with your social account. You can log in with Facebook or Google. If you do not have the account yet, you'll be able to find the option for sign up over here. Simply click on it and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account, click on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So click on the field of phone number or email. Now what you have to do is provide your phone number or email over here. Make sure to provide the registered email address. After doing that, what you have to do is enter your password. Now after you enter your password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your IQ option account. So that is how you log in IQ option trading account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.